60-second podcast on strain limits. On occasion, it is necessary to monitor strain to failure, and this can happen at very high strain values. Conventional strain gauges can see between 3 and 5% strain or 30 to 50,000 microstrain. Some gauges are more limited, others can achieve as high as 20% strain or 200,000 microstrain. This is made possible through the correct choice of strain gauge, but is also significantly affected by appropriate surface preparation, choice of adhesive, and lead wire attachment technique. For example, our EP series strain gauges, combined with a crosshatch surface finish, a special epoxy called Embond A12, and small solder joints with 30 AWG or finer lead wire, can perform to 20% for a single test. Further details can be found in our tech tip TT605 on our website. This podcast has been brought to you by Anton Chitty, VPG Micromeasurements.